Can I tell you something? Would you be the one to listen? Would you be the one to listen? I gotta clear my mind, even if it's just this time. Would you listen? Would you listen? Truthful lies, truthful lies. I thought you were my friend, yeah. Listen, would you listen? Truthful lies, truthful lies. What I gotta say is just to clear my mind. Would it be okay if I take my time? Truthful lies, truthful lies, truthful lies. Yeah, Paradise Nation, Richard Dolphins, Public Report Official, Candy Empress, Candy
Yo, G-Man,
Empress.
I free. You know, so me there, nothing not going on the road for a week, you know, me G. Gia. I wanna, mom saying want a cash, you know. Yo, you know what? You have to go try something different, you see it? Like some chef work or, you don't know the thing set already, you know, bro. Anyway, if you get him money, you know, he does. Go for it, you know. Every dollar count down. Yeah, man. So you think set. Yeah, man. Just do right. You see, I didn't know the thing of the grind every day, though. May give you a call back, you see. Hey, Browning. Can get a time in a minute.
Browning.
Hey, no worry about that, man. You me a talk to. Yeah, just give me a second here time now.
Alright, a second.
So why your face looks so serious? Can I get your number?
Why?
Yeah, I mean on everything in our community, you know. You know, so what kind of phone me up? Huh?
So?
And what you know, man, mama, you're not worried about nothing, you know. You're not worried about nothing. You see I walk right now. I can't make man come pick you up and just drop you on my foot. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, you want my number?
No, Sam, I don't want a number. I give you my number and you link me if you need me. I'm the sugar baby in your life.
Aww.
So what's your name, Sudi?
Compliment anyone?
Money. I got Samantha. Can I have your phone?
Sure.
Okay, sweetheart. Give me a call when you need me.
No problem.
That is it. Hey Samantha, look how you look so nice. You make me want to play in your life like guitar, girl. Right now, you me have some tights. When me want to jump in a church, make you feel too nice, girl. Right now, man, step in your life, girl.
Hello? Jada? Guess what? Me say, girl, mix up story time. Today's my day. My lucky day indeed. Why am I so happy? Me find man. One shot tip man. Money man. Yeah man. You know, I like them rich already. And guess what him name too? Money Idol. Hey! Him drive car. Him have things. Master. Yeah man. Be careful. Don't worry about that. And my time for shine and on my time for rise. Him a even the Dan boy. All the way always. Right there so. Yeah girl, anyways, later. On my time now. Champagne time. Later me talk to you, alright? Cool.
Skinny. Bombard, brother.
I eat so fast, man. Yeah, just call me brother.
I tell you.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm on the road stay already. Sometimes traffic.
You know, some more high luxury like your car. Oh. Yeah. Reach more and reach the like kind of fun. When I'm problem for true, you know.
Say go, man.
Yeah.
Come on. Alright, coast clear, man. Coast clear. So what I'm general? Bombard.
For true, man.
For real, man. Real time.
For true, good in morning.
Brother, I tell you, say, information I have to tell you, based on the facts. Say. A long time I think about it, I plan. I don't live far from my place. I live for. Yeah, man, I live for.
Yeah, where I go find?
No, man, I'm not going to foreign. I don't have no visa. You know what I mean? Them not give me no
By
visa.
your friend, you as a criminal. You, me don't know if you get no time now to get no visa, so for true. Yeah.
Real, man.
Yeah.
So, me just be out with it. Yo, I try to start a different life. Come here, go away, so now, so I can pack up and, start out certain life differently.
Woman, you find them there.
No, man, I'm not find her yet, you know what I mean? But it's based on the fact is that I want a different life, a different type. You know what I mean? I want to work it in a way where I try something different. I'm a criminal, you know, and I understand that. And it's something I can't take back. But at the end of the day, this area, I can't convince somebody to change. You understand what I say? So I have to go venture out and just spread down a west me I go.
But it better stick to the evil, you know. Public, who you figure way down this and nobody don't know you?
Not that, man.
It come like you want to make Papa news or Syrupy news.
Nah, man.
When you make a chat about you, I know say if you go down Westmoreland, you can't just go down there like that. It's a facts thing me I tell about so for true and a normal place, you know. You never hear a cartel say, me a drive in from Green Jail with a spooky. The feds them a move spooky. How you think him at that about Westmoreland?
It's down your heart.
Yeah, you can't just run off and go down there, but you're your own man still, you know. Any decision you want to make, your problem that. But I wouldn't want to know say you down there or anything happen.
No, man, here I go. See, it's a vision me get from the most side. And me feel like say, it's the right move to make. See? And me know say, at the end of the day, anything I want, I may have to go bear the consequences. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, brother, don't I so? But it's, them see me as liar and you know what I mean, and as a criminal. Someone try one different life in a way and see how it work out. Brother, me a friend for life, you know, not changing. Well, but I just have venture out to see what. You keep you posted.
Yeah. Who feels it, knows it. Who downs it, downs it.
See.
Can't tell you what to do, my father. So for true. But here you are going. You can't get spinners.
No,
you can't eat any boy dinners. For true.
No. Brother, I'm tell you, say, listen to me, say, man. Different life in the past. More have a family. See, more of a woman which can get married and all these things and settle down with that.
True.
You know what I mean? At this time, no more gun, no more badness. So I say, I'm not going to stop with black. You know what I mean? All them things, brother. But I just forward for make it know what I go on. Because I'm a virgin and a far where I come from. You know what I mean?
Still. I mean, no say any decision you make because you've been a killer for a long time. And you being a killer and still survive. Look at all of the real killer them. Them dead and gone. But man like me still survive. So me know say any decision you make is right. Because you've been a survive in the Gideon. So for true. True.
Brother, respect.
Yeah, man. Bless up.
Just come show the vibe. Yes, sir. Bless up
Yo,
yourself.
Public.
Yeah.
Remember good enough.
Yeah.
If a boy this you, more you give me one phone call, quick and fast, me flip him back.
Alright, brother. That
Cause you know we have the spinners for eat any dinners.
Yeah.
Everything
good, man.
Bless
Good me
up.
about
Yeah,
positive
man.
energy.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Man.
Bless up yourself. Yes, sir.
Wow, good.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Remember, you know, spinners for eat them dinners.
Yeah, man. Positive.
Alright. Number that go baptized now, you know. Yeah, my G. Nah, take them road they still, you know. Me nah left me spinners. You're mad. For who, for what? When, where, how, never. Suffer true.
Jada, how far you're at? Alright, me there round a shop round here, so come. Yeah man, the cash fat shop.
Alright. What going? Me there. What you take so long to come? Me there, follow.
I wash me there, wash it, I'm tired.
Yeah, I watch stuff from morning.
Clothes, me tired.
So, from morning you wash clothes till now?
You know, say, I get up early this morning and do some cleaning. Then I start wash.
So what going? You know, so me just the one boring and me, so you know, me link you up because me tired of the broke man them. I be a broke man that look me, you know, every god almighty day I be a broke man that look me on road. They look the rich one them look everybody else except me. So me I go want you to help me with that dating side, cause something must wrong with me. Me don't know what go on here, man.
Me tell you long time to go up on it. You know, see where me get my rich man them from?
Eh?
Eh?
So JD, you couldn't look one rich man for me, you know how long me I look one like a rich good man, one good money man.
Me have one friend there. They call me since evening. She come tell me about she find a rich man. Rich man what? I could even want scammer, one broke scammer they know. Me just laugh when she call and tell me.
You know, me feel say we do me so too. Mine you do me so, you know. Me don't want you to do me so. But anyways, me thirsty and me depressed from money, so me I go come go hold a drink. You come with me?
No, me can't come.
You know how I come down with me yet. Anyway, me I come go down a Marsha bar or so.
Right, what good?
I'm frustrated. I'm desperate.
Hey, I got it, man. I got it, sir.
Thank you.
So, oh, you were trying to buy it?
Yeah, but
No. What's the problem?
I don't have much cash on me.
No, man. I'll buy it. Man.
Sure.
Come on, no problem.
You sure it won't be a problem?
It won't be a problem. Trust me. And by the way, my name is Publik. What's your name?
My name's Brittany.
Brittany. Nice to meet you. You live up in this area?
Yeah.
Well, I'm pretty much new in the area, you know, and I don't know about the place and all of that. And I mean, because I'm from Kingston.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know if it's okay for me to even, I'm not going to say just give me a number like that, like typical people. But I mean, but I would love to see you again.
I don't really like giving up my contact just because you're buying me something.
But you see, that's kind of the problem. That's why I didn't really want to say give me a number, because I don't want it to be because of shrimps. You know what I mean? I'm asking for a number and all these things, but I would like to see you again, because normally this connection doesn't really happen regularly. You understand? And I'm connected for some reason, so I would love to see you again. You know what I mean?
Well, I could give you my number because you're a good Samaritan. You know, it's always good to have good friends.
I promise I won't stop.
You can give me a phone now.
So Brittany, I'm going to pay for it for you. And then,
Thank you.
as I said, I'm not going to stop you, so we'll take it in stages.
Alright.
Alright? Yes,
Truthful lies. I thought you were my friend, yeah. Listen, would you listen? Truthful lies, truthful lies. What I gotta say is just to clear my mind. Would it be okay if I take my time? Truthful lies, truthful lies.
Yo, mama, why pray? I want some day see me I go and chill. Remember yesterday we chat about things. Yeah, man. Give thanks for your call, you see me? I'm there to cool out right now in the pool. You see me? Hot. Hot and everything. Right now, through you the call just to turn on the music, you understand? So, I'm going. Yeah, you can go and check when you feel like it. When you feel, you see it. You don't know anything them up, you know. Understand? You want squeeze the pepper small off it, squeeze it. You don't know anymore. That's how you go on, man. Yes, I laugh like you think it funny. Right now, I drink some Henny. You see me? I pop champagne and dash up on the table. Understand? Yeah, man.
Give me my phone. When you idle, get up. Look for me good. I know some grow you. When you run here try to tricky people them girl pick me for? Eh? God he know who you they try to trick them now. But my mind tell me says that woman they try to trick you now.
Mommy.
You could never sit down and tell a man that.
Mommy.
Where you 20 people them girl pick me an idiot for?
Mommy.
Eh?
Mommy.
You have money?
Mommy.
You have money?
Mommy. Mommy. Now yesterday you tell me say 100,000.
Me don't want no money from you.
Mommy, I know say me have to tell him say I need a new heart to get some 100,000, you see it. I don't know scamming thing, you know. I don't know scamming. The woman, if me tell him say yo, I live with my mother, them not gonna believe me. When me tell them say you need a new heart, they know it's a serious thing, so they want to send you the money quicker. You understand?
The devil is a liar from the pit of hell. You! From me, you know, so from me bring upon this earth, you know, so he's the devil from hell. Eh? God forgive me, but I'll pick me like who no man. And not even go bad to say what me did want to say. But, where you walk and tell people girl pick me about your mother want her new brand heart? Eh? I sickness say they call down for me, boy. Back to the sender in the name of Jesus. You brighty?
Back to the sender.
And where they talk about back to sender, if you don't know what word mean, do not call it. Why you scam me people them pitney? Me sick with heart? It will never happen. It will never happen in the name of Jesus. Don't call down no sickness by your mother. I saw no do. Walk and beg people money, make phone call and tell like how no family and friend them say something wrong with them. It is wrong. It's wrong in the name of Jesus. And anything where they call down for me, it might reach you.
Mommy, now you're the last person need time.
Oi. 1 minute, clock. Shut up. You're a child. You act like you're a big man. And me, I feed you. You walk and tell people.
You know what? If I turn on me, my ears bigger than you.
Oi, tapping eyes have manners. You can't talk to your mother, so I'm slapping in your mouth, boy. You look like you don't remember who you talk to. Me is your mother.
Sorry.
Sorry? Take it back. You who walk this and you pooper you take off. Me sure say no me. Me is your mother. Come up here to me. Where they go?
Mommy, last time I paid for my shirt, you know, never you
Me don't care, you don't have no manners. So you reach certain age, you feel say you're a big man. You're sleeping under my roof, looking on my face.
Sleeping on your roof.
Hey, shut up. You don't have no manners. Me can see you don't have any manners. Look at me. While me talking to you.
Man, slap me on face.
Oi, me say, while me they talk to you, look for me. You're very disrespectful.
Mommy, what you want there on the phone said we here, mommy?
I do not care if she have sent she hang up. You don't understand what I'm going on, you know? And a matter of fact, see there, you're going in my fridge. Go take out my little quench shade with me mix. Eh? At the end of the day, you're going to call woman and I tell them about your mother sick with heart. Your mama sick with heart, boy. A sickness they call down for me. Eh? Hey, if I name one thing I dash with backside, you need to go look up. You know what? Give me this. None of them not know you see me hard. You a big boy know you they rank with me and not have no manners. You need to find yourself a job. And stop walk and tell lie. Just to get people girl pick the money. And then you come give me. Me no want to cross this money from you. That is, who you give that?
Your fear goes up.
My fear goes up?
Yeah.
You're very out of order. Take it and go buy one toothbrush and one toothpaste and brush your teeth. Yes. I promise you, look in your face. You don't wash your face from and you get up there. You don't brush your teeth and you come and talk up in my face. So it's very out of order. And I know so me grow you. Me don't want to hear nothing from you. No give me nothing. You have manners. Me notice so when me attack, you attack. It's very disrespectful.
You need to get some grandpicnic. That's say you're miserable, sir.
I don't need no grandchildren.
Don't
hug me up. You want me to look older than me age. Go on where they go and go look at job. I just want to see that girl that you're talking to and telling all of these lies. You see, anytime me see her, me go make she know say is a little liar. You're not even at work. If me no feed you, you're not name. If me no put you in a bed for sleep, you're not sleep. You're out order and you reach your age to go look work. You're there to scam people, girl. You're too out order. So you want a little girl now to take your parents' money if you can't give you. That is scamming. You're a thief. I don't want a thief around me.
Hello? Who is this? Oh, hi, how are you? I'm at home. Exactly. So on the Negro Main Road, you're gonna turn right at the yellow shop, turn left, and then another right. Exactly. I'm glad you're following. And the apartment. Yes, the orange and off-white. Yes, you're gonna stop at the big gate. That's where I'm. Alright. See you too. Alright. Yes, yeah. Yeah, man, I'm at the back of the house. You can walk and come around.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there you are. I see you. How you doing?
I'm okay, alright.
Yeah, man. Seeing you now makes everything okay.
See, you find me. I'm not hard to find.
Have to find it, man. Have to find it. See? I have a lot of interest in
I like your perfume.
You like it? Oh, thank you. I like yours too.
Yeah, so how are you?
Pretty good, you know what I mean? Just trying to get used to this area. You know?
Okay, so you drove?
Yeah, man.
Okay, alright. So, tell me a little about yourself.
Where should I start?
Alright, what's your full name?
My name is Kemar Williams, right?
Okay.
But my alias I gave you before, which is Publik, you know what I mean? Because based on the fact that, when you just meet somebody, you just don't give them everything just like that.
I understand, because I didn't give you my full name either.
Exactly. So I'm going to tell you a bit about me, and then I want you to tell me a bit about you, alright?
No problem.
So basically, I'm not from around here, you know what I mean? I'm from Kingston, and I basically, I used to live an easy life, wanting just to, because I love the farm, and all these things, I was like a person that loved to create and build stuff. But I said to myself, I need to venture out, need to, see the world for what it is. So I used to, so presently now, I'm a traveler, I travel all around the world.
So you have a visa?
Yeah, man, I have a diplomatic visa. As I said before, I travel the world. My thing is to see different cultures and all of that. So, I've worked hard all my life. So I need to enjoy it.
So,
and, I always stay away from the law. I'm a great law-abiding citizen. I don't do anything wrong.
So, why would you mention that? No, that was the farthest thing from my mind.
No, man, it's just that I wanted to know that I'm that person that you can trust. You know what I mean? Yeah, you can trust.
Okay.
So really and truly, I want to get to know you better. You know what I mean? I'm so interested in that part. You know what I mean? Because when you look in the mirror this morning, it's obvious that you're beautiful, right? But I want to know the inside for who you are. You know what I mean? But and you know what? Would you be offended? Well, I hope you're not offended if I say to you that I didn't remember your first name, but the thing is this, I remember the moment so much that I forget about your name.
That's okay, because like I said, I really didn't remember your name. But
For real?
yeah, because I asked you, so
Yeah.
But my alias is Brittany.
Brittany, okay.
Yes.
And your full name is?
Onika Hewitt.
Onika.
Yeah.
Well, officially, my name is Kemar Williams. Nice to meet you, Onika.
Yeah,
And
you said it previously when you just came. You see, you're absent-minded. Something's going on up there.
I'm just so nervous because you know what, at the end of the day, you don't have these special moments every day. You know what I mean? So for me, it's something different. You know what I mean? Right now I know what I'm talking about when they say butterflies now, you know what I mean? And goosebumps and all these things. I know that feeling. You know, so yeah. But I hope like for me, as I said, I'm not gonna pressure you. I wanna take it in stages, in steps. So never you feel like I'm, stalking you, or I just want to get to know you, spend some time with you, so we can, understand each other for each other. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
it's best we start as friends.
Yeah, man.
Okay, so do you have any kids?
Well, I am thinking about it. It's something that's on my mind, and not saying no to kids, but I want an established relationship for kids. You
Yeah,
understand?
but I asked, do you already have
No,
kids?
no,
Okay.
no. As I said, I want an established, household where, the kids can actually grow with both parents. You know what I mean? That's something I'm really up to because my mom was single. You know what I mean? So I don't want something like that, to be.
Oh, sorry
to see.
about those.
Woo!
It's behind you, you know.
It's
Oh
behind me
my
right now?
gosh.
It's yeah, man. It's gone,
Yeah. Sorry about that. I need to spray them and so on.
No worry, man. No worry, no worry. You know what I mean?
So, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Talking about spray the wasp, I'm sorry about my bad hospitality. Do you want anything to drink?
I actually have some stuff to but see, my phone is actually ringing because I have some little business plans to do. Hello? Yes. I'll be there in 35 minutes. All right? Just give me 35 minutes and I'll be there. No problem. Set up the meeting. All right. Thank you. All right? And you are? Okay, Morgan. Okay. I'll be there in a few, Morgan. All right? Cool. Yes, you see, I actually also do real estate. You know what I mean? So I have some stuff to sort out, so all of these things. But as I said, I would take the drink, but I'm gonna promise you if I could take it. Well, I'm gonna ask you if it's possible to take you out for that drink.
Yeah, man, no problem.
No problem. All right. So, Brittany, it's my pleasure. I don't know if I should even give you a hug.
I'll see you out.
Okay?
Okay, no
Yeah.
problem.
Oh my God.
Alright.
You feel good.
I'll see you out.
No problem. Thank you.
Would it be okay if I take my time? Shoot for lies, shoot for lies, shoot for lies. Yeah, Paradise Station, Richard Dolphins, Public Report Official, Candy Empress, Candy Empress. Shoot for lies, shoot for lies.